Guys, what jammies should I wear?
Someone fully got killed in this hotel room.
Ones?
Guys, look at my toiletry bag.
Slay.
Secondary
Okay,
toiletry
parkour.
bag. Here's some top secret information that I like to gatekeep. This is my fragrance. You can't look at what it is. It says my name on
Wait,
it.
can I smell it?
Yeah, but it smells different on my skin than it does in the bottle, but I'll let you smell it anyway.
Oh.
Can I smell it?
Is it like a custom thing?
Why are you putting your whole ass nose in
Because I'm trying to sniff it. I couldn't smell anything.
COVID?
No. Go in, get in. Go in, you have to go in.
I'm in my leggings.
What the fuck did you do? Where is it? Hello, where's the thing? What? Where the fuck? Ella, help!
It's the other one. It's the other one. Oh my god.
Oh.
I didn't think it was gonna be the hand one. And that was, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, who is it? Hello?
Hello?
Sorry,
You guys are
The shower, like.
I turned on the shower and it was the handheld one. Instead of the big one. It spilled on the floor.
We need to get you more towels.
I'm thinking, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs and ask for more towels for room 572.
Thank you.
I'll see you for tomorrow morning.
9. 9
We'll
o'clock.
figure this out. We'll figure it out. Sure, you guys decide. Good.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night. Can't wait for those towels.
Wait, if we live in a
Ella,
house.
the fact that you didn't have the balls to go in there when you're in two waterproof things. I'm in jeans.
Yeah, girl.
I'm sorry. These are the only leggings I've got.
Good check, guys. My dogs are out.
I turned on the shower and I thought it was gonna be the regular shower head that just goes out, but it was the handheld one. So I spraying out and my leg is all wet. I was like trying to grab the water like it was a rope and move it.
The watermarks on the floor. Okay, Flood. Should we start like cleaning up now and then we can use the towels that they bring to shower?
What if they bring like different towels?
No, I say Ella, get in the shower, girl.
And then we'll clean it after.
Oh yeah, valid, because I'll get the floor wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just clean
Tell me how to turn on the shower before I go in there, please.
Okay, I was just gonna get naked.
Do you wanna go pee?
We get two
Oh my god,
Don't shoot my dog.
this was 23 hours ago.
I don't know. Can I just
That was 23 hours ago.
Kidding me? Slay boo boo. Go for it. Oh my god, don't put your nasty dogs on Ella's bed.
Oh my god, no one's
That
gonna
was-
break Maggie.
Ew! Put your dogs away.
Guys, stop shaming my dog.
Hi vlog. Okay. We don't have an actual Ouija board, so we're gonna do an online Ouija board on Maggie's iPad. Because wait, they don't even know any of the context. Okay, if you're on my live earlier today,
Guys, let's all
you'll know.
huddle on Kelsey's
This
bed.
is the okay, yeah, let's get in my bed. Wait, let me take some stuff off of my bed.
Let's get an Emily pit.
No, not on my bed. I don't want your dogs on my bed.
I literally just washed my.
Guys, this is a very serious YouTube video. We need to be very serious. Hi, very serious friends.
First, let's say hello to the spirits and welcome them.
No. First, we need to explain why we're doing this.
Okay, fine.
Can I put your brightness up and put it on my face?
Oh, is it a Ouija board on?
I'd say that is good enough.
Okay, so what's happening is
No, I like them when
there's like a blood stain in our room or something. I'll put a picture of it right here. Editor Kelsey, thank you. And then like, okay, Ella tried, I showed you this clip earlier. Ella, she tried to turn on the shower and it like sprayed out of her and it's just like,
this is just our luck.
there's water all over the floor. Like, it's literally flooded in our bathroom. Like, it's so bad. Also, the outlets aren't working. Like, and that's just like hair dryer issues. But then one of them started sparking and they like burned Ella's hair.
And my hair.
And then like it started like popped.
It sparked on my head.
So like none of the air dryers are working. And it's just like there's a lot of problems with the outlets. And then like the food was really bad that we ate, and it was just like really sus. And there's just, and the Wi-Fi doesn't work, and it's like these are such like white girl problems, but like the blood stain is a bit much,
Okay.
and there's just some sussy things happening.
Let's put Blog over here.
We're convinced that it's like we're gonna.
They can watch from here.
Don't put my dogs in there.
They can see this. Okay. Hello, spirits. Please come.
I think we need to put this a little darker. Ella, are you coming?
Just leave her there.
Ella's coming?
Okay.
Whoa. Ella.
Spirits of the bloodstain, please show yourself. Anybody else who's here, please.
We're welcome.
Ella, get off TikTok. We're doing a seance. Come on.
Okay, you guys. We got a knife.
Can we get an? If we see an actual Ouija board at the store, can we get it?
Possible darkened room. We don't have candles. Ask a loud and clear question. Be careful to not accept a spirit. Unexplained things may happen. Spirits, are you here? Are you here, spirits? Are you here, spirits?
Spirits, are you here?
Spirits, are you here?
What if they're not a spirit? What if they're
Maybe
ghosts?
try another app.
Emily.
Ella, it's your fault!
Shh, Ella, come on. Turn off your light and come and put you.
Oh!
Ella, get over here now.
Open the link.
Ella, shut the fuck. Open Safari.
Oh, you guys are supposed to
get
take
off,
your fingers off
Come
of it.
here!
We're vlogging. Come on. Oh, shoot. Yeah, Ella, why were you taking?
Are you this?
You have to
Are
take
you
your
the
finger on it.
spirit?
Put your finger on it.
Are you the spirit of Montanui?
Who's Montanui?
Oh, okay. Okay, wait, no, we get to
Ask if it's through the blood stain.
Are you the spirit from the blood stain on our floor?
Oh shoot, it's buffering.
Nobody move. No.
No.
Shoot, there's a lot of spirits in Germany. Should we ask if they're all?
No,
Okay,
I was
last
gonna
was
ask.
German. Are you German? Are you German?
I read her question.
Maybe it's a Nazi.
What if they're Jewish? Hitler. Oh my god.
Shoot, it's
Maybe they died.
Can we ask if they're Jewish?
Oh my god,
Can we ask?
Okay.
Are you Jewish?
Are you my Jewish ancestor?
What if it's like
Oh,
some
shoot.
random old ass man who like died in like the street?
They don't know where to go.
Oh. So
Guys.
this is like a tourist.
Are
A tourist?
Oh my god, guys. This is bonkers.
Are you a tourist?
That's such a bad question.
No, because maybe they died.
Maybe they're just a random person here from like Slovakia.
Whoa.
Are you a tourist?
A tourist would be the only one in this hotel.
Yeah.
What if they're here like cheating on their wife?
What if that's the wife?
They're not a tourist.
Boy.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. How about we ask like less broad, like less specific to Germany? I'll ask a question. Did you die in Germany?
Did you?
It's embarrassing.
Did you die in Germany?
Where did they die?
Who are
They
you?
can't answer that.
Yes, they can. They can spell it.
Who are you?
It's buffering.
Oh my god. It's a real spirit, guys.
D.
It's nuts.
D's nuts.
Got him.
Do.
Dolly Parton.
Dobby.
Oh,
Dora.
Doris Day. Dora?
Dora.
No way they just put Dora. Are you kidding me?
This is Dora.
Dora the Explorer is.
Are you Dora the Explorer?
No.
Are you a cleaning lady? Are you a cleaning lady?
Lady, are you a cleaning lady?
That's the worst question you could have ever
No, maybe she's like, come on.
See, Dora is not a clean lady.
That was quick. All right, guys.
Okay. Buenas noches,
Bye.
Dora.
Wait, but I need to brush my teeth. I already did.
Are you brushing
And oh my god, my feet. And I thought it was.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
This is their second time calling. They just hung up on me. Oh. I think I hit the emergency alarm.
You did not.
Anyway. Hello? Hello? I don't know if they can hear me.
Oh.
Hello?
She's hanging up on you.
No, but I think it's because they can't hear me. I don't know how to get them to hear me.
Uh-oh.
Hello?
Turn off. Oh, because you're on mute?
Third
time's a charm?
This is so embarrassing. Hi, sorry. Hello? Hello? Oh, wait, here. Hello? No. Hi, what do we do if our power went out?
It's not working.
Why is it not working? Did we go down to the...
I say that again for my vlog. We're talking about texting a mass group chat about how our like power's not working.
Can you please do that? I'll do.
I can't say.
Text and be like, hey guys, our power is out. Comment down below if you can relate.
Megan's like, can any relate?
Can you please?
Hashtag relatable question mark.
Hashtag relatable question mark.
Hashtag oops.
Can you relate?
Hashtag F German.
Hashtag is the receptionist hanging up on you too? Question mark.
Hashtag receptionist can't hear us.
Hashtag receptionist.
Hashtag receptionist. So
hanging up on
us.
me?
Hashtag
I
receptionist.
swear, our receptionist is probably Dora.
No, you know who the receptionist? Oh my god. You know who the receptionist reminds me of?
Who?
The snail lady in Monsters Inc. Oh my god.
She's like, she went, hello? No patience for me and my American
Wait.
ways.
Question. When you guys were in the shower, did it sound like there was an alarm going off?
No.
Hashtag relatable?
No.
No, it for real sounded like there was like a,
Guys,
like
look, I can
a,
film everyone's bed at the same time. Maggie, you
like
gotta
the
get a frame.
purge siren. It sounded like
Wait.
the purge siren.
No, but should I text our outlets aren't working?
Oh, why is this bed moving?
Yeah, definitely do, cause like we need to be charged.
No, guys, when I
We
was in the
thought we
shower,
needed to be
when I was
charged.
in the shower, it sounded like the purge siren was going off, and then I look out the window and like the lights are off, and I thought you guys like were evacuating without me.
Oh my god. Oh, it's the music that Kelsey was playing. Can somebody else text it? I don't want to text the group chat. I'll say, same.
Same from the same room. Same.
Why did you not it?
Same room.
Not it!
Why did it just stutter?
Emily, you look like you have braces.
Okay, gamer girl.
Guys, I actually think this room is haunted.
No, it isn't. We're okay.
You're just saying that because you're too scared.
I need to take a fat
Emily,
shit.
don't need to bring that.
Guys, I'm gonna text the mass group chat.
Oh my hashtag relatable.
No, say comment down below if you relate.
I should say hashtag relatable.
Text the best group chat, please. When they were literally just sending people's contact info.
Oh wait, which one is this?
Art Shores Cubs.
Oh wait, this is just us plus Maddie.
Oh, don't send
Not
that.
that one.
It's Astro Cubs. Should I text my uncle?
I'm not in Astro Cubs.
You aren't? Here,
No.
let me add you.
That's so rude. Wait, who's in it?
I just added you. Is she in it? Wait, how do you add someone?
Shoot. Our outlets aren't working. Can anyone relate?
How do you add someone?
How do we?
I just sent her contact. Stop.
Wait, who did it?
I don't know. How do you add yourself?
I just shit in literally pitch black because I don't know how to turn the lights on.
You press this light switch.
See, this is like that one. Remember that question for the thing where it was like, would you rather have a thing with no
Running water or no power? They manifested.
no power?
They manifested.
We did pick no power.
Somebody asked
That's
you.
true.
I don't know how to ask someone.
Is she not in it?
How to say your
Ready?
contact. That's so
Papi, tu besita.
annoying. I can't stop laughing. This is just so funny.
Papi, tu besita. Hey,
Should I try
Jola.
next? Our outlets won't work.
No, wait. Comment down below if you relate.
Say it. Anyone relate? Emily. Emily sent Ella's contact into the massive group chat with everyone on that trip. Like, there's like 60 people in there.
Oh my god.
Are you actually not in it? Are you actually not in it?
You accept my contact instead of Oh my god.
Maggie's so like not knowing what's happening. Wait, can I go check it? Are you actually not in it?
My pants.
No, go pee.
Did you say
They both said
Wait,
I'm stuck. I'm looking at my charger. Okay, yeah.
Guys, okay, so our work, we texted to the group chat. Emily sent Ella's contact, and then I said, Ella is in this group chat. And then I went, also, Donna, our power doesn't work. What do we do? Hashtag SOS. And then Emily went up, and then they both said same. And we're all in the same room. So
And we're all in the same room. Oh shoot, she's gonna get me.
Dora's trying to kill me, bro.
Red.
Oh my god, that's what came out. I literally had her back.
Why do you look like that? Why do you look like that?
We can't be too loud. We can't be too loud because it was a noise complaint.
Anyway. You know what I think it is? We're all mega sleep deprived. And also, I'm on my hashtag period. Get some up. Our outlets don't work. Comment down below if you relate. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at the iPad kid. Sneeze on it. What the fuck do we do if we don't have power? We're on live.
How did people in the 1800s live with no power?
I mean, okay,
Well, they
obviously
didn't have
no.
like phones.
Guys, we're not that dumb. I mean, I'm not. Because they didn't have
How
phones.
did the
They didn't have phones. Or did they? I
Does
don't know.
anybody have a brush out here? I want to brush my hair.
Oh yeah,
I think I do.
right here.
My hair's really knotted in the back. Thank you.
You look like cute right now.
I know.
You want to die?
Yeah, a little.
With no power, I do.
Wait, Kelsey, why did you give me that one?
Guys,
What
nobody's
gave me?
answering the group chat.
Hi, Maggie. You're
Who
an
has
adult
tissues?
version.
Kelsey, in the bathroom, there's tissues by the floor.
Oh, fuck!
Guys, nobody's answering the text, huh?
Because everyone's asleep because it's 12:30.
I like how we said we weren't gonna stay up tonight.
Yeah. It's 3:43.
Ella, I don't know where to find them.
Go into the toilet room and look, and when you're facing the toilet on your right hand side, down by the floor.
Am I
This is a poop bag. Are you fucking shitting me? Are you fucking me?
They look like tissues when I saw
You
them.
fucking weenie face. Never talk to me again. I think I have some tissues. I might have some tissues.
Why is there poop bags in the bathroom?
No, it's for like period stuff. Makes sense.
Oh, because we're in Europe.
I need a tissue right now.
Guys, it is hot.
Bro, my portable charger is literally so fucking. It's like all the way charged, but it doesn't fucking work. How the fuck am I?
Can I try? Maybe it's your cord.
Ready?
Guys, did somebody answer that group chat?
Nor.
No.
Nor. Need a tish?
Yeah, badly. Can you just pack me the whole pack?
Kelsey, it's literally your cord.
Oh my god, it works.
Yeah,
How much do you have?
I have 64.
Okay.
But
Then can I use
I
it?
want to get mine to 100 for tomorrow.
Yeah,
so
get
I
it
want
to
my
100.
cord.
What?
Oh, that's a whole tissue.
What? You can use it.
No, I can use it?
Yeah,
Oh,
charge
no.
it.
Oh, okay.
My tissues fell.
Oh, are you do you have another
I
one?
have one.
Oh, okay, then yeah.
Yeah, I was like, you need
Use
it.
it tomorrow.
Mine's dead.
Oh wait, do you want to use? How about this? How about this, Emily? Emily, how about this? How about this? How about this? Try my cord on yours, so then we can see if you switch cords. Because then both of them work.
Okay. I'm out. Like a light.
Whoa, I like that.
Ella Klingerman, let me plug in
Wait,
my
can
cord.
Kelsey and I figure... Oh, Kelsey, I don't have a cord plug-in for this kind of cord.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
Guys, that just scared me.
What's
I
wrong?
just flipped my phone around to show you the screen, and then my flashlight turned on.
Ooh.
Spooky.
Dora.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Is this your dead
Kelsey.
one?
I'm still laughing at Emily putting my contact in the group chat with no context. In the middle of the night, she said Zella's contact. I'm trying to help you. I don't know. What's that word? Wait, are all the teachers in that group chat?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I don't know how to get this to turn on.
How do you turn on the flashlight?
Bye vlog. There's a light on. Wait, can I come try to do it? Give me it. Give me it right now.
One
Right now.
second.
Use your face. Use it right now.
No. Oh.
Fucking dumb shit.
Wait. Turn it off one more.
Remember when kids used to T-pose? What did you do? It will turn off. It goes off eventually. Just double click it and then just leave it there. Don't turn off.
It doesn't sit right with me that it's literally like 4 in LA right now.
But like in the afternoon on the 27th, and it